Hi, my name is Eunice and welcome to MediMatch. Today I will be running you through our composite veneer course, showing you everything that we include on the day and the ways that we assist after the course to make sure that you can implement the technique successfully for your patients. So here I've got the course books that you use on the day, so it includes everything needed to master the technique. So model, PTFE tape, bond, injectable, and then all the consumables you need, such as the flat plastics and your burrs. Also on the day, you use a motor, like your fast and slow handpiece. So again, just everything that we advise you to have in surgery to implement the technique successfully. Here we've got the composite veneer kit. So it's been curated by ourselves and Dr. Andrew Nazir to include everything that you need. Pretty much just takes everything that's included in here that you use on the day, and you can use this in surgery, or you can just use it to practice on family or friends. So it's got, again, injectable, it's got the flat plastics, your bond, PTFE tape, and Soflex discs. Also, we have the protocols available. So this is literally just a step-by-step guide on the technique. So you can come back to this at any point. It covers the methods of patient communication, lab communication, so just to ensure you get the best possible results. And yeah, all of our courses have protocols like this one. And yeah, also this year we have a range of new courses that will be released. We've been working very hard with our team of expert practitioners to develop these, so keep an eye out on our social media and on our website www.medimatch.co.uk. They'll be released there straight away, and yeah, we can't wait for you guys to be here, learn these techniques and implement them for your patients.